Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English journey. I am Leo, and today we are not just talking about learning English, we're talking about changing your whole life through this beautiful language, because so many of you write to me and say, Leo, I want to speak fluently, but I don't live in London or America, and nobody around me speaks English, so how can I succeed? And today, I have the final answer that will change everything for you. Because the secret is not about where you live, it is about the small habits you create in your day. You do not need to move to another country to master English. You just need to make English part of your breathing and your daily movement. So, let's start with the most powerful technique of all, which is shadowing.
It is very simple. You just become my shadow. You listen to what I say and you repeat it at the exact same time without stopping and without trying to translate in your mind. Just be an echo of my voice. Copy my tone, my speed, and the way I say the words, because this process trains your mouth muscles and your brain to work together in perfect harmony. Even if you do not understand every word I say at the beginning, it does not matter. What matters is the rhythm of the language and how it feels in your mouth. If you do this for only 5 minutes every day, you will notice that your tongue becomes lighter and the words come out of you smoothly like never before. And this leads us to the first golden rule, which is intensive daily listening. The ear is the first gate to the tongue. If you want to speak better, you must listen more. Not once a week, but every single day. Make English the background music of your life. Listen while you cook, while you walk, and even while you rest. The human brain learns by constant exposure to sounds, even if your understanding is only 50%. This exposure builds a language store in your subconscious that appears suddenly when you try to speak. But listening alone is not enough. You must start thinking in English. Yes, stop translating your thoughts from your native language because this slows you down and makes you hesitate. Start with very simple sentences in your mind. When you wake up, say to yourself, "It is morning." And when you see the coffee, say, "I love coffee." These small steps make the brain link things to English words directly without a middleman. And over time, you will find yourself having longer conversations with yourself inside your head. And all of this needs support through reading aloud. Silent reading is good for understanding, but reading aloud is the gym for your facial muscles. Choose a short text, a children's story or a video script, and read it once slowly, then once fast, and then once with different emotions. Imagine yourself as an actor on a stage, because this builds confidence and makes you hear your own voice pronouncing English clearly. And most importantly, live the language in your technical details. Go now and change your phone language to English. Think about how many times you open your phone in a day, maybe 100 times. Each time you will see words like settings and notifications and update, and this way you will learn hundreds of words without any effort. This is what we call passive learning. And to add a magical touch to your progress, start writing your diary, not long essays, just 3 short sentences before you sleep about what you did in your day. This links the language to your real life and your honest feelings. And if you really want to break the fear barrier, record a 1-minute voice message for yourself every day. Talk about anything and then listen to it. You will be the teacher and the student at the same time. You will notice your mistakes and fix them next time. This will build a strong self-awareness of your language. And do not forget that the digital world is full of communities like you. Look for English learning groups. Interact with them with simple words. Send voice notes. Make English a way to connect and not just a dry school subject. Because fluency does not come from textbooks only. It comes from living with the language. Make it part of your coffee and your favorite apps. And when you do this, you will not feel like you are studying. You will feel like you are growing and developing. The secret is in the small and smart steps that repeat every day. And this is the journey we are walking together on our channel. The journey of learning English with love and confidence. So start today. Start now, and do not wait for the perfect moment, because the perfect moment is the one you create yourself. And I, Leo, will always be here to support you step by step on your way to mastery. Stay motivated, stay consistent, and I will see you in the next video.